The Sunshine State is having a hot streak, and we're not just talking about temperatures. According to the state's Office of Economic Research, nearly 330,000 people have moved to Florida between April 2020 and April 2021. That is close to 1,000 new people a day. That means places to live are in high demand. Jim Hirschman from Sarasota Land and Homes joins us via Skype to talk about what this hot housing market means. Good to see you again, Jim. Welcome back.
Hey, Stephanie, good to be here. It's been almost a year since we started talking about our crazy market. Last May, I think I was on.
Yeah, and since then, we've at the time, we were analyzing the effect of the pandemic on our real estate. So let's kind of look back and see how things have changed this past 10 months. What's going on out there?
Well, if you look at our first slide, our active inventory, you can see that the inventory, when we spoke in May of last year, I think we were looking at the statistics from February, we had just about 2,700 homes available in the market. And over the last 12 months, it dipped down to just under 1,000. We are currently at 680 homes in the market. That's a 75% dip in inventory. That's a crazy amount of fall off.
Yeah, absolutely. Is this an unprecedented low supply? How many months are we talking here?
Well, typically, when we were on last year, I was astounded that we were currently at a 3.2 month of supply of inventory. You can see again in March of last year, it's just over 3. Typical equilibrium in the marketplace is 6 months. And in today's marketplace, we are less than a month supply of inventory. We have 0.08 of homes on the market. That is a 40% drop or 50% drop in homes. So I'm just astounded that inventory level is where it's at today, given what we have had over the last 12 months. No one predicted this.
So if things are selling so fast, does that mean closings are way up? What are you seeing there?
Closings are definitely up. A good point of reference is, let's say, yes, we have closed sales. So we have almost 1,200 closed sales occurred last month. And if you take the number of homes that we currently have on the market, which I just highlighted, 680, and you divide that by the 1,200 homes sold, you have 58, almost 60%. And what that number tells you is that demand is outstripping supply by nearly 60%.
Wow, that's a lot. Well, that means it's a seller's market, obviously. So the bad news for buyers is that prices are up too. How much are we talking?
Again, another meteoric shift in the average sales price. Last year when I was on, the average sales price, and before I go into this, the average sales price takes the number of volume, the total volume of home sales in dollar amount divided by the number of units. That gives us our average sales price. And last year at this time, we were just over 400,000, about 417,000 average home sale price. Now we're at 614,000. A $200,000 increase, which is astounding.
Yeah, that's going to be a tough game for a lot of people to play, unfortunately. Do you think this is a bubble that will burst?
Yes, I definitely think we're in a bubble. The wild card question is how much air is left in that bubble. When you couple low interest rates, government spending, stimulating the economy, you already have the baby boomer effect, which is constant even before the coronavirus, people coming to the Sunshine State as well as Texas and some of these other states like Arizona. You have, what is kind of the perfect storm. So yeah, eventually history tells us it's going to burst. I don't see it bursting anytime soon. I think we're going to go through 2021 strong.
All right. Well, you do have a few properties on the market. Let's highlight the one in our final minute on Siesta Key.
Well, this is a unique property. This is a townhome very close to the village. So that means walkability to the village. It has direct access. This is 222 Beach Road. We're marketing this home at $4,395,000. It's just under 3,000 square feet. Like I said, you can walk right down to Siesta Key. You can walk right to the village. It's totally updated. This is a very unique property. There's nothing on the market like this on Siesta Key currently. So we're hoping to get some fast action on that.
Oh, I have no doubt there will be fast action. It is a beautiful property and it is a hot housing market. Remember, to keep up with the very latest real estate trends and see available properties, you can get more information by going to SarasotaLandandHomes.com. We'll be right back.